Welcome to OBDSync. In this tutorial we're going through how to replace an electronic brake control module in a Holden JH Cruze. So first off, click the vehicle button and go over to the EBCM tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module. If you haven't licensed this module, the licensing screen will show now. Once it's loaded in, we'll click the flashing tab along the top. This will show our current and required calibrations. When ready, we'll click the right button. Make sure you do have a battery maintainer fitted to the car before clicking right, just to ensure the voltage is kept high and prevent a failed flashing event. The flashing in the JH Cruzes for the ABS or EBCM module is quite fast. As we'll see here, it will blast through it within about 10-ish seconds, if less. And there we go, that's just finishing up. And now it is doing its finalization flash routine, so just finishing up the flash. And we'll have a pop-up box afterwards indicating that it is successful. We can then go ahead and click on the OK button and then head up to the Learn functions to perform our final procedure, which is the VIN security link. We're not going to click this one today since we've already VIN security linked this one to the car, but basically once you click on it, it will have a pop-up indicating there will be an 11-minute countdown timer. After 11 minutes, it will then perform the security linking, which includes the VIN and immobilizer linking, and then finally it will ask you to turn the ignition off, wait 60 seconds, and then turn the ignition back on. Once you've done that, it's all completed and all good to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.